I can't even hear my. Hold on.
Nah,
wrong,
bruh,
man.
come on, man.
Hold on, Caps. Yo, something's wrong with my Hey, yo, Caps.
Reaper laughing at that nigga. We can hear you,
Something's
bro.
wrong with my
We
shit.
can
See, that's
hear
why I
you,
didn't want to use
dog.
my phone.
No, you
I'm not
ass.
getting an echo. That's why I sound like that, bro. I'm getting an echo. Hold on.
What are you talking to? Look at
Can you hear me?
You clear.
Can you hear me? All right, I'm gonna start over. Can I start over?
Caps for the cry.
Cap for the cry.
Nah, son. I caught an echo. I'm getting an echo, man.
Oh, not an echo, bro.
Hold on. You ready?
No, it's not.
Caps. We couldn't get a square. We couldn't get a round out this square like Swiss cheese.
Ass.
Supreme shot. I pop a flock of you that been me.
Yeah.
Fat Santa, yet fully get stuck in his chimney.
Yeah.
You're not ready for this, man.
He false claiming. I'm really a legend. I grim reap.
This nigga Harlem Legends is ass juice. A lot of it. Y'all see the battle?
It's Christmas
That's
Eve.
Hella funny.
The more the merrier.
Look.
12 ounces out the alley. I told the street she give me more, I marry her.
Right.
Of course I'm daring.
Yeah.
And I'm strapped up in my back door. Oh my God. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. You choked all 3 rounds against Steve's. God damn. Please. Caps, we couldn't get a round out this square like Swiss cheese. Slain enemy.
This guy right here,
you
man.
got it with 6'2", same enemy.
Yeah.
Slain. Oh, damn, man. I don't consider you a vet.
You better
you in the
just
same
stop,
place where you
brother.
started at.
I swear you better just.
I gotta drink something, bro. Hold on, bro. My shit wet, bro. Hold on, man.
This nigga said, hold up, I gotta drink something. And no more pay. Hold up, y'all. I don't think y'all caught that. The nigga said my shit wet. Like, you know, if you gotta drink something, your shit should be dry, your throat dry. This.
This battle don't make no sense. Son, at first I couldn't put my finger on it. How for Harlem, y'all want me to drop a tear like Money Mix? You actually challenged me?
Look at my REEPAH RELL. I can't help but keep looking at him. That was his shining moment. It was his shining moment. And he dropped the ball. He know he did. Bruh started out though with the right energy. He ain't want the coin to flip or none of that shit. Dog was ready for all the shit. Now look at bruh energy. This shit is hella funny, dog. Look.
How for Harlem, y'all want me to drop a tear like Money Mix? You actually challenged me to a battle?
My stomach hurt.
Now if you try to do one, I'ma do two.
God, this team is fucking crazy.
And if you try to do three, I'ma do four. Maybe even more. I go by the name of APPAREL.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Salute,
Yep.
salute,
We
salute.
here.
You hear me?
Yeah, you clear,
You
you
hear
clear,
me?
you clear.
You hear me? Is we ready for this?
Yeah,
like,
we
You
ready.
showed up.
Let's
You
go.
showed up.
You want me to go first? What's up? Where we at? Who I got to shoot?
Yeah.
Where we at? What we doing?
Why
Salute to
dog
everybody in the
talking
building.
like
Hit the
he
like
finna-
button, subscribe to the channel.
Why
You
he talking
dead.
like he about to
Facts.
go crazy?
I'm coming with straight raw. Let's go, man. Where you at? Pull him.
Yo.
Y'all gotta pull up REEPAH RELL. This nigga talking crazy already. Yo.
Who going first? What's up? What's up?
Yo, hold
We
on,
ain't
hold
gotta
on,
talk.
hold up. What's going on?
We ain't gotta do no talking, man. Salute, man. We ain't gotta do no talking, man. Straight up, nigga. I ain't come to talk, nigga.
Okay,
What's up with Bull? Why he geek like that? And he talking like he about to go crazy. I'm here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm putting gifts together and all type of shit. You know, it's Christmas tomorrow morning. The nigga Cap's got a whole league now. This nigga done graduated. I see you, OG. Y'all see the battle? Damn, we about to get right off into all the fuck shit though. I'm about to sit here and put this little this hoop together too for my son, y'all. So y'all bear with me, but we gonna see what this about. We gonna see exactly what the fuss is about. You know what I'm saying? My fault, y'all. Let's get it.
Organic battle. We watched it from the making to the promotion to the actual battle.
Homie, let's
Harlem
get to
Legends.
it. Let's get to it.
Harlem Legends,
I
low
said,
key.
yo, hold on. You want me to go? What's up?
Go ahead, nigga. Go.
Whoa.
Hey, why Harlem Legends look like he ready to go though? Oh me, he probably finna get crazy. Boy probably about to go crazy. Oh God, REEPAH RELL, I hope you ready, fam. You know REEPAH, he be choking like a motherfucker. I hope he don't do it in this one, cause if Harlem Legend get crazy on him, this not gonna be good. This not gonna be good at all. And right now, from the looks of things, it's looking like Harlem ready for all the fuck shit. Let's see what this shit's about. Let him go, Cat.
You gotta stay out of this one, man.
Yeah, let him
Let
go.
me do this, bro. Let me
Nigga talking like he got it. Let him go, Cat. Chill.
4,000 in the chat.
How many?
Niggas got 4,000? Damn, that's
4,000. Okay. Hey, man. Hey, Harlem Legend want to go first, man.
Go. Let's get it.
Let's work. I can't wait to see
everybody's
this.
waiting for.
The nigga
Look,
free
wow,
throws. Oh, there we go.
Yo,
We back. We back.
Son, I'm sitting here like, God damn. What's up, bro?
Come on, go.
Yo.
Man, he nervous, bruh.
Go ahead, yo.
I know a
Yo,
nervous
come on,
battle
come on.
rapper when I see one, man. Now I hope this nigga don't choke, bruh. It's gonna get dark if he choke. Oh my God. I know a nervous nigga when I see one, dog. Let's go.
You choked all 3 rounds against Steams. Bitch, please. Caps. We can't get around out this square like Swiss cheese. Supreme shot. I pop a flock of you niggas. That been me. Hold on, I don't think you heard me. Supreme shot. I pop a flock of you niggas. That been me.
This nigga
Fat
hiccuping
Santa,
like a
this bully get
motherfucker.
stuck in your chimney.
Nah, man.
He false claiming. Hold on. Let me calm down. He
I
false
knew it,
claiming.
dog. Oh my
I'm really
God.
a legend at Grim Reaps.
Yo, you gotta stand up, Harlem. Why he sitting down trying to rap his shit? Nigga said, I don't think you heard me. Hold up. We can hear you, nigga. Oh my God, bruh. This probably getting ugly. This nigga Jimmy, he's stumbling like a motherfucker.
As he can start by the squad that's 10 feet. You been low, keep it real, you been hiding from Benji.
He nervous.
Hold on. It's Christmas Eve. The more the merrier.
This is
12 ounces out the alley. I told the streets to give me more, I marry her.
Yeah.
Of course, I can't even hear my... Hold on. Something's
Nah,
wrong,
bruh.
man.
Come on, man.
Hold on, Caps. Yo, something's wrong with my shit. Hey, yo. Yo, Caps.
Nigga Reaper laughing at that nigga. We can hear
Hold
you,
on, something's wrong
bro.
with my
We
shit.
can
See, that's
hear
why I
you,
didn't want to
dog.
use my phone.
No, you
I'm not getting
ass.
the echo. That's why I sound like that, bro. I'm getting the echo. Hold
What
on.
are you talking? Look at
Can you hear
Caps.
me?
You clear.
You hear me? All right, I'm gonna start over. Can I start over?
Cass wanna cry.
Caps wanna cry.
Nah, son. I caught an echo. I'm getting an echo, man. Hold on. You ready? Caps. We couldn't get a square. We couldn't get a round out this square like Swiss cheese. Supreme shot. I pop a flock of you niggas that been me.
Yeah.
Fat Santa, you just fully get stuck in his chimney.
Yeah.
You're not ready for this, man.
He false claiming. I'm really a legend. I grim
This
reap.
nigga Harlem Legends is ass juice. A lot of it. Ugh. Y'all see the battle? What's up with Bull? Why he choking like this? He put his head down in shame too. He know this is not good. And if I'm not mistaken, homie said it's about 4,000 in the chat. Oh my God. What's this? Oh, this is not good. I hope he know this is not good, man. something in your chimney. That nigga said you choked all 3 rounds in your battles. And this nigga doing the same thing, bruh. This is crazy. Bruh, you gotta stand up and get comfortable, Harlem Legend. And why he battling? Like, what they battling for? What's this about? I want to know what this about. Kill switch? This nigga Caps done graduated like a motherfucker. I see what's going on here, bruh. I see you, homie.
It's Christmas Eve. The more the merrier. 12 ounces out the alley. I told her she should give me more, I marry her.
Look, that nigga wanna read the script, man. It's a bitch. Look at him, look. Just read the paper, bruh. My stomach hurt. Look, he wanna read the paper, bruh. Look at him, look. This nigga is done. Oh my God, he is done, bruh.
It's Christmas
That's
Eve.
hella funny.
The more the merrier.
Look.
12 ounces out the alley. I told her she should give me more, I marry her.
Right.
Of course I'm daring him.
Yeah.
And I'm strapped up in my back door. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm doing this right now. You choked all 3 rounds against Steams. God damn. Bitch, please. Caps, we couldn't get a round out this square like Swiss cheese.
Why he so
Supreme
trash?
shot. I pop a shot of you niggas that been me. Fat
Read
Santa,
your
you just
paper,
fully get stuck
bruh.
in your chimney.
Just read it,
He
bruh.
false claiming. I said he false claiming. I'm really a legend. I grim reap swim class. He can stump by the squad that's 10 feet. You been low. Keep it real. You been high from Benji. I said, it's Christmas Eve. The more the merrier. 12 ounces out the alley. I told the street she give me more, I marry her.
Yeah.
Of course I'm daring her. I'm strapped up in my back door to bury her.
Yeah.
You know how to move FedEx. Switch that carrier. I said, I'm transcending. I descended from the same portal that made a mortal.
I'm not about to watch this nigga, bro, embarrass himself like this. This is crazy. Oh, and he talk big shit I hear. I hear he be talking the most shit about a lot of niggas. That's what they saying. And he up there looking shaky, baby. Man. Caps. Get this nigga the fuck out of here. This is not even tight. Hey, so the nigga get the rapper, right? And then he'll fuck up. The nigga go like these. He go like these. Man. And then he get right back at it. Like my stomach hurt. Look at the nigga Reaper like, man, what the fuck's up with this nigga, man? Oh, shit, bro.
Winchester, but I silenced the bow. I meditated. Headshot, make the body astral project. Then levitated. Creep low, loaded the twins, they correlated. Died on him so it won't be luck when I elevate it.
Yeah.
I talk greasy.
Beat down,
No, I
elevate.
said, where you...
See, and I ain't gonna lie, he got some shit though, but God, his delivery is stowed as a bitch. He's forcing it right now. You can tell. This not even what he do. I don't even ever think he battled before. I don't think bruh ever battled before. Why he trying to battle? Like, what the fuck is this about? And why they set this battle up? Cause this nigga ass. Oh fuck, y'all need to put this hoop together though, man. I need to get this shit put up. I need to get this joint put up. We're gonna finish this battle. This shit hella funny, bruh. Y'all see this battle? I can't wait to hear Reaper. Reaper better kill this nigga, man, cause this guy is ass.
I know a painted face never got celebrated the way... I know I heard a painted face never got celebrated.
Man,
the problem, you push a point around, still got decimated.
Just read the paper, bro.
I know I heard a point. I know I heard a point. Oh my God, I can't believe it.
I know
I heard a painted face never got celebrated.
Nigga.
The problem,
you
push
ain't
a
ready.
point around, still got decimated.
You ain't ready for the battle.
You could try angles, but I can't believe I just did this, man. I know I heard.
Just cut your round.
I know I heard a painted face never got celebrated. The problem, you push a point around, still got decimated.
Just cut your round, bro.
Slain enemy.
This guy right here,
you
man.
got it with 6'2", same enemy.
Yeah.
Slain. Oh, damn, man. I don't consider you a vet.
You better
you in the same place where you started at.
I swear you better just...
I gotta drink something, bro. Hold on, bro. My shit wet, bro. Hold on, man.
This nigga said, hold up, I gotta drink something. And no more pay. Hold up, y'all. I don't think y'all caught that. The nigga said my shit wet. Like, if you gotta drink something, your shit should be dry. Your throat dry. This...
Cause you in the same place where you started at.
Look, watch this.
I gotta drink something, bro. Hold on, bro. My shit wet, bro.
My shit wet. That's hella funny.
I don't consider you a vet.
You're dry.
Cause you in the same place where you started at.
This guy is discombobulated like a motherfucker. Look at Reaper.
D'Angelo CD.
He said throw in the towel. Is that what that is?
Nigga.
Yep.
The art of war I paint vividly.
Yo,
hit him and come back when the blood dries.
Battle,
Ask
man.
me why. And the grass hopping out with the nose. It ain't Jiminy. But literally, Cricket's the only witness what I did to him.
He rapping though. He rapping like a motherfucker.
You fucking dope fiend.
Yeah.
Let me find out you out here sniffing out the bag. I'ma have a Hassan Campbell fuck you in your ass.
That's a pause. That's crazy. What's wrong with this nigga, man?
Oh, that's it, man.
Yeah, you trash, boy. Harlem legend, you trash. I'm sorry, that ain't it, man. This probably get dark. Watch REEPAH RELL get crazy.
First off, you a bitch nigga.
Nigga Harlem legend. Shit, bro. This guy is defeated. REEPAH RELL ain't even rapped a syllable yet. Damn, this is over. This is not good. He gonna be a meme all morning, bruh. I'm telling you right now. And he know it. Look at his face. He can't even look at the camera. Shit, bruh. I am weak.
42-year-old fake rich nigga. Y'all know the only thing legend about Harlem? Snitch niggas. This battle don't make no fucking sense. Son, at first I couldn't put my finger on it. How for Harlem, y'all want me to drop a tear like Money Mix? You actually challenged me?
Look at my fault, REEPAH RELL. I can't help but keep looking at him. That was his shining moment. It was his shining moment. And he dropped the ball. He know he did. Bruh started out though with the right energy. He ain't want the coin to flip or none of that shit. Dog was ready for all the fuck shit. Now look at bruh energy. This shit is hella funny, dog. Look.
How for Harlem, y'all want me to drop a tear like Money Mitch? You actually challenged me to a battle?
My stomach hurt. I promise I'm not trying to laugh at boy, but he was talking greasy, bro. Like he had this one in the bag. Damn. All right, let's get the REEPAH RELL shit because I really want to hear Fam. Because Fam is nice. He just got them issues to where his preparation just don't get him over the hump like how it should be. Like, it's just, that just is what it is. But he can rap his ass off. I like Fam right here, but, you know, the mishaps, man, that shit get you looking kind of crazy out here with these battle matches.
The 40 burst.
That's
All
crazy.
he does is cam up and pop shit. My clip long as a mop stick.
Let's
I
go.
catch him on a Harlem night. He get shot quick. I rock shit.
That's
I'll punch
crazy.
him in his fucking face.
It's shit
With a
like
fist
that,
across his
man.
fucking mouth. My mama
That's
said,
what I'm
"People,
saying,
every little
bruh.
man with glasses." My dad said, "Fuck what she talking about. You a dead man. The chalk is out." I can't front. You could be a legend true. Because if I act out with a Smith, I guess I am legend too. You could call your crew.
I
let
am
the
legend
thing
Will
clap.
Smith.
The
Let's
same
go.
Harlem
Let's
legend,
go.
But he died ASAP. Big gun.
That's
I bang that.
this-
You tried to make fun.
This guy is wilding on Harlem Legend. And if they had a crowd, this shit'd be crazy. Keep going, fam.
My D-block run,
This man.
and I can't front. I felt sort of played, but then I realized what happened the last time Harlem versus D-block on stage. You want to see the rage in Harlem?
Let's go.
Nah, he gets shot, the chin check,
Uh-huh.
big tech. Better yet, the 40 cal on cam. It's Dipset. I'm a
Damn.
big threat. You older than me,
This
but how
guy
somehow
is
you're the one that's
wilding
still
on this
minor.
nigga Harlem
Who you
Legend.
brought with you? The 050 movement? Cool. Well, I'm giving headshots. I'll turn China Brim to a sun visor.
Damn.
From an old timer.
Oh
Plus,
my
I
God.
German like a Budweiser.
Yeah.
You got a G, you a fucking nerd. And I wish I would lose to Ines Uncasa Urkel III. You a bird.
Oh
And
my
exactly the reason
God.
You get put in danger.
That's
Harlem legend
crazy.
Her niggas ran you out over 12 racks and you moved to Pennsylvania. I brought babies. Funny part, y'all thought I wouldn't kill this nigga rapping.
Yeah.
You would have thought a nigga with glasses this thick would have saw this shit happening. Nigga,
Ah.
fist fights. I'm down for scrapping. Y'all know the truth.
This battle is over. Oh my. First he said turn the nigga. What'd he say? He said the China nigga? I guess dog is part of his team or whatever. Turn that nigga to a sun visor. And nigga said nigga glasses this big would have seen this shit coming. Oh my God. This battle is over. It's over, man. I feel bad for this Harlem nigga. This nigga is dead. And he know it. Look at him. Look at his face. Damn, boy. Cap, you know you shouldn't have did this, man. You know you shouldn't have did. I don't even want to watch no more of this battle. Y'all want to watch this? Y'all still want to watch this battle? This shit is over. Oh my God. This shit is over.
As far as battle rap, nigga, here's your first lesson. How I'm bringing a big L back to Harlem. It's a resurrection, nigga. I'll cut him up.
Let's
in seconds.
go.
Y'all really
The big
think that
L.
he
Come
pretty?
on, man.
Nigga, this Joker, man, the toughest nigga in Harlem is P. Diddy. You the type of nigga that we pity. Plus your girl said you broke. And that's exactly what the horse said. How I'm the one known for selling the cookies, and you the one with the short bread.
Let's
Your
go.
name used to be E. Oil.
Strawberry
this fact
shortbread
check.
cookies.
He said it. Y'all don't even
Let's
gotta
go,
believe
fam.
me. But funny, they gave me oil, and I'm the one up here doing them greasy,
Greasy.
nigga.
Let's
Murder
go.
Mook voice. This shit is easy. What's the
He
deal?
is
I'm cutting
wildin'
your
on
hood.
this
I
nigga,
roll melon.
bro.
See, the funny part is everyone here just to see you get your ass kicked.
Yep.
Harlem Hospital giving beds out, right? Yeah, but Reaper giving out the caskets on that shit. Y'all thought he wouldn't take
Let's
that?
go.
Nah,
That
he
nigga
came here
REEPAH
Harlem,
RELL ain't
but
come
he
to play
died
with
looking
this
like
nigga.
Ringhead. Easy
Oh
round,
my
nigga. This
God.
shit gone. And shit looking drastic.
Yeah.
Prep better, nigga. Get this nigga a suit. I'll bring the motherfucking caskets. Give me my dough, nigga.
Battle
Sober.
over. It is over.
Salute.
We gotta hear what Harlem Legend gotta say, man. This got ugly. Caps, how you feel? Look at Caps.
Yo, my mouth got dry, bro. I couldn't do it, man. I
He
ain't
said
gonna
my mouth got dry.
This shit harder than it look. I told you,
Yeah.
nigga.
Salute.
I
Nah,
told
my mouth
you.
damn,
got dry.
man.
I told you it's harder than it looked, my
It
nigga.
just looked, it was,
Cash.app
yeah.
REEPAH RELL. Where my money for the niggas that was talking.
Salute.
Give my dough.
Salute.
Nah, salute, baby.
It got
Let's
nasty.
go.
Good one, man. Good one.
It
Salute,
got
man.
nasty.
Yeah,
Yo,
Cap,
man.
I couldn't catch it, man. Like I just, my mouth
I
got
seen.
dry, man. I was like,
hey,
He
bruh.
said my mouth got dry. Like, that's no excuse, man, to put on a performance that you put on. You just ain't nice, my nigga. That just is what it is. I would have swore homie was a battle rapper back in the day or some shit. He looked bad. And he talking about I couldn't get it out. My mouth was dry.
Hey, I see.
yeah, and you know what's crazy though? Beforehand, I had everything ready. Like I was ready to go.
Bro, that's how it always goes until
like,
you
it just-
battle, bro. Now you see the
It was
struggle.
all
Bro,
right
it
now.
ain't as easy as it looks.
44.
But I salute you
Damn,
for
44 in the
I'm not
chat,
even
my
going to do
nigga.
this.
That's crazy.
No, it was cool. It was cool.
I salute you for even coming up here and catching
He
the
humbled
punch.
as a
Niggas be
bitch,
scared.
bruh.
But yo, I want to see you start getting man down the line, so get it right, bro.
Nah. That
Get
shit.
it right.
I ain't
Nah, bro,
never
you gotta
rapped
see that.
I'm good.
Follow
I ain't a
me,
battle
B.
rapper.
If y'all
I'm not a
niggas
battle
want to
rapper.
see that,
Nah, he ain't a
y'all
battle
want to see your
rapper.
boy
Niggas
back on here, he got to battle any man.
Nah,
And you gotta
Nah,
be ready,
any
I'm
man
good.
bet
I'm
not
good.
battle this
I'm good.
trash
Niggas
ass
wildin'. That
nigga.
shit got my mouth dry and all that. I'm good, bro.
Any man bet
I
not
ain't gonna
battle
lie.
that nigga.
It's
He
like I
ass.
couldn't even. It's
Yo,
like I don't know
I'll
why.
tell
I'm
you
bro.
done, man. I don't want to hear no more of this shit, man. This nigga is terrible. Why he battle REEPAH though? Like, how that get set up? What this? Like, how this? Like, this guy, man? Oh God. I'm gonna leave it there, man. I think this shit is self-explanatory, man. Like, this is not good. Harlem Legend, you shouldn't even, I don't even know what the hell you do from here, like, on out, because I ain't never heard of bruh. For him to battle REEPAH, though, like, I'm like, yo, this, I don't even want to watch this shit. But the hype was around this shit, so, we gonna fuck with it. We gonna function with it. And I damn sure didn't want to see REEPAH go down against a nigga named Harlem Legends TV. Like, what? What we doing? You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, yeah, let's see what this about. And boy, was I knew REEPAH was gonna win, but not like this. This shit got dark. Buddy was terrible. He should feel a fucking ashamed. He gonna be a meme. He gonna be in all types of motherfucking oh my God. He should. It's not good. Salute the REEPAH RELL, cause that nigga was in there wilding from the dipset schemes to the I mean the nigga was landing punches, bruh. If it was a crowd involved with this, he would have been shaking the motherfucking room talking to bruh. Boy, oh boy, the D-Block shit, oh my God. I can go on and on. The Harlem Nights shit, that I can go on and on. Bro was in there wilding on this nigga. The nigga with a motherfucker with these tight glasses. See the shit coming? Like, he had all type of rhymes up in this motherfucking battle. Harlem had shit too. He just couldn't get his shit out fluently. He was looking crazy. It probably would have looked different if I don't even want to say that, man, because this nigga delivery was kind of tight whacker to me a little bit. Like, he was forcing it. Y'all let me know what you think. Drop it down in the comments. I ain't finna do homie like that, man. It's your boy Fanatic. Y'all follow me on some of the social medias, the Twitters, the Instagrams. Talk to me on there, please. I talk back. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. Comment down below. Then share this video. That's the only way we gonna grow. It's your boy Fanatic. But you can call me POLO. This motherfucker, Harlem Legends, nigga. He's ass. He's butt juice. A lot of it.